people. This your girl MEIOUSEI, the Tarot Pistol. I'm going to go ahead and do a reading today for the sign of Aquarius. This is going to be the 28th eclipse reading for the 28th, with the eclipse is bringing in and what is leading for Aquarius. Oh shit, okay. You got Thanksgiving, big lotto. So a lot of bullshit going on. Very much stepping in your power. Eclipse can be giving you your power. Alright, or putting you on your feet. Alright, this is also admiration of one's level in life. So this could either be you admiring or someone else. But I do see a lot of getting on, getting things done, handling business. What's leaving Aquarius? Okay. What's coming towards Aquarius? So a lot of gratitude is coming towards you. Gaia is leaving though, so for some of you guys, it's the energy of taking care of everybody else. Gemini reading was something like this, except I think they don't give a fuck, just all around the board. Gratitude was leaving, so I don't know why I'm hearing they clone Tyrone. Okay. Some of you guys might be like doing some heavy makeovers with yourself. Somebody could think that you're not who you are. Like, okay, why is Gaia here? It's like somebody gonna get their teeth fixed, and I ain't like, yo, who cloned them? Okay. Uh-oh. So was leaving is some type of betrayal here, or some sort of betrayal here. This could also be, like I said, taking care of everyone else. I feel like you're deciding to walk away from something that some type of betrayal here. Gaia is here. This is the mother, so this could be in regards to someone's kids. Or this could be in regards to someone's actual mother. I feel like, too, with the Three of Swords here, this was a huge lesson about matters of the heart. Or healing, all right? If you have been doing healing, I see you. It's a lot, but then again, it's a Two of Pentacles, so I guess. I feel like the moment you walk away from nurturing everybody outside yourself, here's somebody running in. The very one who did not appreciate when you were doing it from the get-go. I feel like, too, trying to make everything fit into your schedule. Okay, adjusting your life and your routine and your things, making sacrifices for everyone else's life. Nine of Swords, now somebody's worried. Or now someone's worried. All right, give me something for gratitude for what's coming towards Aquarius. Gratitude for being able to rest now, or some type of peace. Here you go at the bottom of the deck, Aquarius. So gratitude is coming in, especially a lot of understanding. Maybe you take time to sleep on it. Somebody might even finally give you the gratitude in order for a situation to come back together. but somebody might have to show appreciation. So yeah, you're taking your pride back. Big Lotto is giving, and this is for, and that's what's leaving. And then what's coming in is the gratitude you deserve from the get-go here, or a need to give gratitude. That's what I